To polish sterling silver, first submerge the item in a bowl of warm soapy water for 30 seconds. Then scrub it with a toothbrush. Rinse the silver off with cool water and dry it with a clean microfiber cloth. Finally, buff the item with a polishing cloth to make it shine like new. To remove tarnish from silver, first bring 1 cup, 240 milliliters of water to a boil. Line a bowl with aluminum foil and add 1 tablespoon, 15 grams of baking soda and 1 tablespoon, 15 grams of salt. Slowly add 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters of distilled vinegar and let everything fizz up. Pour the boiling water into the vinegar mixture and place your sterling silver in the bowl for 30 seconds. Remove the silver and rinse it off under cool water. Finally, buff it dry with a clean polishing cloth.